snowpacking. Vlogging from outside.
Hey.
Snow.
Snow at the Winter Wonderland.
With no coat on, just a sweater and a tank top.
Jen's a ginger, so she keeps herself warm.
And he's gay, so he keeps himself warm with the coat.
I was gonna say I don't keep myself warm at all.
My glasses have snowflakes.
Just kidding, they're probably
do you want me to die? Alright, we're taking pictures. I think my head's We're taking pictures.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
What if I pushed you in the snow?
I probably couldn't fight you.
You have snow so much in your hair. There's so much snow in your hair, I meant.
So
It's
much-
rain and snow.
Hallelujah. It's raining and snow.
Okay, I'm silent so we can take pictures. Look at these titties.
Give him a little titty.
Walking in a blizzard. You thought video.
We're going to see Jesus.
I'm walking in a blizzard.
We're going to see Jesus.
My fingers are getting stuck to my tripod. Snowflake got in my eye. This is ridiculous. Look at this. I did my makeup for nothing.
Going to the Bucks of Star again.
No, we're going to the indoors of Jan.
The indoors of John.
Dad! He locked it. Not funny.
You guys know it's snowing?
No.